If you own an Alfa Romeo Giulia, Stelvio, or the new Dodge Hornet, you know that these cars are all about style and performance. The last thing you want is a clunky dash cam with messy wires hanging down your windshield. That is where Fitcamx comes in. Today, we are looking at the ultimate 4K dash cam that looks exactly like a factory accessory. This unit is designed to replace your original rearview mirror cover with a one-to-one restore shape. It is low-key, fashionable, and fits your car perfectly without anyone ever knowing it is there. The installation is a total breeze. It is a 100% plug-and-play system that takes power directly from your overhead console panel. No wire cutting, no fuse box tapping, and zero damage to your beautiful interior. But do not let the stealthy look fool you. The performance is world-class. Powered by an advanced Novatek chip and an f.16 big aperture lens, this camera captures stunning 4K ultra-high-definition video at 2160p resolution. Whether you are driving in bright sunlight or on a dark highway, the built-in wide dynamic range technology ensures every detail, including license plates and road signs, is captured with perfect clarity. You can choose between the front-only 4K option or the dual-cam setup, which adds a 1080p rear camera that rotates 360 degrees. It also comes packed with essential safety features like seamless loop recording and a built-in G sensor. If the camera detects a sudden collision, it automatically locks the footage to prevent it from being overwritten, giving you peace of mind in case of any disputes. In the box, you get everything you need, including the memory card, the pry tool for easy installation, and the plug-and-play cables. If you want the best protection for your car without sacrificing its elegant design, the Fitcamx is the only way to go. I have placed the direct Aliexpress link with the best current discount in the first pinned comment below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car tech reviews tailored for enthusiasts. See you in the next one.